Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Today we'll be making no egg, no butter, and no dairy chocolate chip cookies, which are really chewy and taste simply amazing. For this, I've used 150 grams of dark chocolate, 1.5 cups of all purpose flour, coconut oil about half a cup, which I've melted, and we've used coconut milk, which is about 1/4. You can use any non-dairy milk. Brown sugar 3/4 cup, white sugar half a cup, baking soda about half teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, and salt half teaspoon. So these are the ingredients that we will be using. You can replace the coconut milk with any non-dairy milk, or you can also use the normal milk. So let's start making the cookie dough. For this, we'll first add in the sugars, add in the white sugar and the brown sugar and the salt. And now we are adding in the coconut oil which we've melted. Mix all this together really well. But since it's coconut oil, it's not going to get incorporated really well when you stir, when you mix it up. And we'll add in the coconut milk and the vanilla extract. Mix all this together and we are going to microwave this for about 20 seconds so that it melts. So we've microwaved it for about 20 seconds and this is what we got. You can see that it's all come together. It's much better than what it was. It's not grainy anymore. So we need to get the dough to this stage, the mixture to this stage. And now we'll add in the all-purpose flour or the maida. Add little by little, and along with this also add in the baking soda. So we are adding in the all-purpose flour and the baking soda into this. Make sure you sift your all-purpose flour so that it's lump free. And now we're going to add in the chocolate chunks to this dough. You can see the dough is stiff, it's not very soft, it has to be like this. Make sure you add the ingredients according to the correct measurements to get the best results. So our cookie dough is ready. We are going to refrigerate it for about half an hour in the refrigerator. So preheat the oven to about 180 degrees centigrade, and we've lined a parchment, we've lined the baking tray with parchment paper, and scoop out the cookie dough and place them apart from each other. These are really simple cookies and they are totally vegan. We don't have any butter or egg or even dairy free, so it's a great recipe to try and it smells amazing. I love the coconut smell, but it doesn't taste like coconut. You have the coconut oil in the cookies. They are chewy and they are really moist, and the chocolate chips, the chocolate chunks are all melted and they are really superb. I'm sure you're going to love these cookies. Please do try them and let us know in the comment section if you like them.